lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Ipsy's September Glam Bag. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so before I dive right on into the Glam Bag, I did want to show you guys some add-on products that I had gotten when I customized my BoxyCharm box. They didn't come with my BoxyCharm box. For some reason they shipped out when my Glam Bag did. But anyways, so I'm just going to show you guys what I picked up real quick. So the first thing I got is from Kimchi Chick, and this is their Nude Sensation Face Palette. I've heard of this brand before, but I'd never tried anything, and when I saw them on there, I was like, oh cool, you know, this is a great opportunity to try something from the brand. I paid $8.99 for this, which I thought was a pretty decent price. Anyways, I'll just show you real quick. So there's the packaging, and then here is what the actual face palette looks like. I do like face palettes, and this definitely looks like one that I would for sure get a lot of use out of, so I'm excited to try this out. So there's the first product that I picked up. I do like the add-on option. So I don't always get add-ons, but when I find products that I've been wanting to try, I definitely jump on it. And then the next thing I got as an add-on item is from Too Faced, and this is their Pinkier Times Ahead palette. I paid $14.99 for this, which again is a pretty good steal. I have a deal when it comes to especially like Too Faced products. But here's the palette. It's nothing like I haven't ever seen before, but I don't know. I'm a pretty big sucker when it comes to Too Faced. I don't really know. I just really like their products, and I always think their packaging is the cutest, but I'm excited to add this one to my collection. And I'm pretty sure I'll get some good use out of it. But anyways, those are the two add-on products that I got. Alright, so moving on into the Glam Bag now. So we have our card for the month, and it is Find Your Groove, and it's very groovy looking. So there's the card. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the skincare products out of the way first. So first up, which actually came on the outside of the bag because it couldn't fit in there. This is the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size of this retails for $38. So it's just an intense hydration for dry, parched skin. It has a seal on it, so I'm not going to open this right now because I have other lotions that I'm going through right now. But anyway, so there's the first item, and then here is the bag. It matches the card. Very groovy looking. I won't say it's my favorite looking bag, but it's definitely like a fun looking bag, I'll say that. And then on the inside, let's see. No, there's another, yeah. There's another skincare product. So this is from Lavido, I think is how you say that. The brand, this is their Clarifying Gel Wash, Cleanse, Clear, Calm. And this is a deluxe sample, and the full size version of this retails for $29. So those are the two skincare products. Alright, and then the rest of my bag is makeup products. So first thing up is this one from Benefit. This is their Pore Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size on this retails for $33. Now I did go ahead and use some of the makeup products out on my face today, just so I can give you guys kind of like a mini review on them. I can't really say much for this product because, you know, setting sprays, you kind of have to wear them all day to kind of know whether or not they work. It spritzed on very easily, had a slight fragrance but not a heavy one, so that's all I really have to say about it. It seems like a nice setting spray, but that's, like I said, unless I do like a wear test with it, I don't really, I can't really like say much other than that. Alright, and the next product that I got in here is from Shauna B. Miami, and this is their lip gloss. I think it's in the shade Besitos, I think is how you say that. This is again a deluxe sample, and the full version of this retails for $18. And that is what I have on my lips right now, and I really like the shade. It does kind of have like that sparkly shine kind of look to it, but I'm not mad about it. I feel like it is like a little pigmented, or unless this is, I don't think this is my natural shade underneath. I feel like it added a little more pink to my lips, which I'm not mad about, but I do really like how it looks, and it's pretty comfortable. And then last but not least, unfortunately the next product came broken. This next product is from Beau Babe Beauty, and it's a deep bronze highlighter. I have it wrapped up in here because I did look at the bag beforehand just so I could know what I could try on and all that, and that is when I discovered that this product came completely shattered. Like, it's shattered, which I was sad to see, but I wrapped it up in this thing because it was everywhere, and it makes a really big mess, so I'm going to try to gently show it to you guys. Anyways, it came in this box here. Oh my gosh, I thought I had contained it pretty well, but I'm having the hardest time getting it out of this box, and it's just spilling out everywhere. But I wanted you guys to kind of see it, but maybe I won't show it to you guys. I don't know. I'm going to just break the box. Alright, so here it is. As you can tell, it's very dirty because it's, like I said, completely shattered on the inside. Oh my gosh. There really isn't a whole lot of product left in here. Alright, this is going to make a mess. Anyways, here's the bronzer highlighter thing. I can probably reach out to them and they might send me a new one, but honestly I'm not going to bother because this does not look like my shade at all. Like it looks like a nice highlighter, but I think it's just going to be way too deep for me, so I'm not going to bother reaching out. Let me do a swatch of it. Like I said, after I show you guys this is going straight into the trash, because I'm not, like most of the time if something comes like a little broken, I usually press it back myself, but it's completely gone. But anyways, there it is swatched. Like, it looks like a really nice product, but like I said, it just looks like it's way too dark for me. And like I said, I could reach out to customer service and I'm sure they would send me a new one or at least give me points or whatever, but I just don't think it's worth the hassle. Just because I just know it's not a product that I'm going to use anyway, so I don't want them to send me a new one if I'm just going to end up giving it to somebody else or not keeping it. It's just not worth it in my opinion, but that's just me. I choose my battles. I'm like, is it worth it this time around? Anyways, so I was a little disappointed that came broken, but it is what it is, But there you go, guys. That is everything that I got in my September glam bag. So, final thoughts on everything. I'm not too mad about what I got this month. I don't think it was too, I think it was pretty balanced when it came to the makeup and the skincare products. I only got 2 skincare this time around out of the 5 products, which is not too shabby. I do like this First Aid Beauty. I've gotten several things from them in either in BoxyCharm or in my past, like way long before Ipsy boxes, and I always enjoyed their products, so I am curious to try this out. And honestly, I think this is a pretty nice size sample. I mean, I know that everything in here was deluxe samples, but still, it's pretty good size. I feel like this would almost be considered like a travel size, so I'm excited to try that out. I think I've gotten several things from this brand as well, but I can't really remember how I felt about them. But this is a nice size, again, a nice size sample, and I'm sure I'll have an opinion on this by the time I get done using it, so that's cool to try out. And then the makeup products, my favorite out of the 3 is definitely this lip gloss. I really do like how this looked on my lips, and it's pretty comfortable, and I think it's a nice shade. And then I'm not too crazy about setting sprays, honestly. I don't use them as much as maybe I should, but I don't know. It's just not part of my skin. It's just not part of my makeup routine anymore. I'm not a person that wears makeup for a long periods of time, so I just don't see the point of it for me, honestly. But that's just my personal preference. But I'm not mad about getting this and trying it out. And again, it's a decent size sample. And then, of course, the little broken product over here, which I was sad to see, but, you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I could reach out to customer service, but like I said, it's just not a shade that I can see myself using, so I wouldn't end up keeping it anyways. So, you know, that's really all I have to say about it. It seems like a nice highlighter. It's just, maybe the formula is just one of those really soft formulas, and it just doesn't travel well, because honestly, I am thinking that maybe it was broken when they put it in my bag, because like the other products were not damaged at all. Like the boxes and everything don't look like they got squished or anything. So I don't know how that product got so busted up. So I'm wondering if it was busted when they put it in my bag, but this is just a theory because I just don't understand how it got so broken and everything else is fine. Because that one just looked like it got dropped, stamped on, I don't know. Like it is completely, I don't know. I've seen products get shattered and transition from, you know, like from orders. I've had like a ColourPop highlighter that got a little broken, and I've never had one quite so broken as that one before. Like they're usually just kind of cracked, you know, falling off a little bit, but then you can press them back. But this one, I don't know, maybe the formula is just like super delicate. I don't know. But anyways, so final thoughts on everything. I think it was worth it for me this month. Like I said, I got some good makeup products. When it comes to like the lip gloss, I really liked, and then the skincare products I do like as well. So I'm pretty happy with everything that I got this month. But there you go, guys. That is going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my bag this month. Did you guys get Ipsy September Glam Bag? And if you did, what did you think of your bag? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!